Hey folks, Mason here from United City Yachts, Canada's largest yacht sales network. Here we are today on the beautiful shores of Montebello, checking out this 1991 Silverton 38 Express with a total overall length of 41 feet and a wide beam. Presents really well. Take a look, follow the video walkthrough. Thank you. Thanks for watching, folks. That was the video walkthrough of the 1991 Silverton 38 Express, presented to you by United City Yachts, Canada's largest yacht sales network. My name is Mason. Feel free to reach out to book your private viewing at 613-218-6925, or email me directly with any questions, or book your appointment at mason@unitedcityyachts.com. Thanks for watching.